more! Give me more! Did you have Subway for dinner? I can taste it. Somebody just defecate all over me already. Just defecate all over me. I'm waiting. I'm right here. I can unclog the toilets. What? Chat, y'all think we won this lawsuit? Fist me. Ah! Oh no! Oh! Just dookie on my back already. I keep asking you and you just won't do it. Why don't you dookie on my back like you used to? Huh? You don't like me anymore? Right here. Or not. Crap all over me! Where are you? Can I smell them feetsies? Why does she run like that? Don't you make fun of my boo!